For question 6, mould is on a bearing of 65 degrees from root-in. What is the bearing of root-in from mould? Circle your answer. So I've tried to help you visualize this using a little sketch. So if this is mould and this is root-in, mould is on a bearing of 65 degrees from root-in. What is the bearing of root-in from mould? Well, there's lots of ways to approach this question. Okay, now the way I like to think about this is using my knowledge of angles on parallel lines, because this line is parallel to this line, so we know that angles which are what sometimes be referred to as C angles, they're supplementary, so they add up to 180. So you can work out that 180 take away 65 should leave 115 degrees. So this angle here is 115 degrees. If I know that angle, now for bearings I'm always going clockwise, so I just need to do 360 take away 115, and 360 take away 115 should leave 245 degrees. So that's my answer for part A. For part B, I'm saying that RIL is on a bearing of 330 from root-in. What is the bearing of root-in from RIL? So again, I've drawn a little sketch to help us here. So again, if we're saying RIL is on a bearing, so RIL is on a bearing of 330 degrees from root-in. What is the bearing of root-in from RIL? So this bearing here is 330 degrees. Again, different ways of doing this, but I could just work out this angle because I know angles around a point add up to 360, and then take that away from 180. That's one approach, which I'll actually do that approach now. So 360 take away 330. That would leave an angle of 30 degrees. So so this angle here is 30 degrees. So I know this angle and this angle should add up to 180. So 180 take away 30 would leave 150 degrees. For part C, we've been told that it's 1940 in Cardiff, it is 23:40 in Dubai. So it's 20 to 8 in Cardiff, 20 to 12 in Dubai. What is the time in Dubai when it is 1:30 in Cardiff? So first of all, we need to work out that time difference. So nice and easy actually. So from 20 to 8, 20 to 9, 20 to 10, 20 to 11, 20 to 12. So we know Dubai is 4 hours ahead. We need to, whatever the time is in Cardiff, be plus 4 to get to the time in Dubai. So if it is 1:30 in Cardiff, adding 4 hours onto that will take us to 5:30 in the evening in Dubai. And now for the second part, it's the same approach. What is the time in Cardiff when it is 2:10 in Dubai? So it's very similar, we just have to take away 4 this time. So if it was 10 past 2 in the morning, it'd be 10 past 1, 10 past 12 at midnight, just in the middle of the night. Then we'd get to 10 past 11, and then it would be 10 past 10 in the evening. So using the 24-hour clock, whereas 10 past 10, we would say 22:10.